Hello guys, welcome to my another video. Today I will talk about the Leadmonk Lifetime deal and I will show how to get Leadmonk Lifetime access. Leadmonk provides simple and powerful appointment scheduling software to manage appointments with ease. It's the first appointment booking software in the market that allows your customers to book time with you using their mobile number or email address. Along with WhatsApp and SMS channels, we also support SMS and email. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon notification. So let's get started.
Nobody has time to navigate the hassles of coordinating availability while scheduling or rescheduling appointments. That's why Leadmonk makes appointment booking a simple experience. Share your availability only on the days and times that work for you. Your invitees can book time in your calendar using their email address or mobile number without the back and forth. When your customer chooses an appointment slot, it is instantly confirmed. They receive a meeting invite and an SMS or WhatsApp notification confirming their appointment details, and they can cancel or reschedule their appointment directly from the booking confirmation page. Time saved and emails reduced. Get all the info you need from invitees before the appointment, and collect payment in advance if you're looking for a higher quality appointment. Leadmonk is integrated with your most common business applications, so as soon as an invitee selects the time, everything is automatically updated. Meet one-on-one or in a group. Meet online or offline. Sell services, conduct interviews, sales calls, and consultations. Leadmonk provides all the features you need to stay on top of your scheduling.
Leadmonk plans and features. Leadmonk features included in all plans. Lifetime access to Leadmonk. All future professional plan updates. No codes, no stacking, just choose the plan that's right for you. You must activate your license within 60 days of purchase. Ability to upgrade or downgrade between 3 license tiers. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. Features included in all plans. Unlimited appointment types. Add a custom intake form to your scheduling page. Customize your booking link. Automated appointment notifications. Add Leadmonk to your website. Connect to Google Meet and other business apps. Android app. Leadmonk offers 3 pricing plans in the Appsumo marketplace. Pricing number 1. Single plans. One-time purchase of $69. All features above included. 5 users. Unlimited appointments. Pricing number 2. Double plans. One-time purchase of $139. All features above included. 25 users. Unlimited appointments. Remove Leadmonk branding. Pricing number 3. Multiple plans. One-time purchase of $299. All features above included. Unlimited users. Unlimited appointments. Remove Leadmonk branding. So why are you late? Get Leadmonk Lifetime access today. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.